This is setup tutorial. You can see I'm in the middle of damp snow. Yeah, okay. So I made here something for walk, so I don't walk in the snow. Then right here I have position for rockets. So this is some cakes. This is where I'm gonna put the cakes on. And this wet. Oh my god, it's hard as rock. Oh no, fuck. Shit, nigga. So this is for stabilizing the battery cake. Oh shit. I'm gonna put it right here. Oh my god. Okay. So yeah. Okay, so then we have here for the rockets. I already used it, you can see it. Yes, right here. And you can hear somebody's firing the rocket. So yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool, but still, oh shit. It's hard like a diamond. Whoa. Fuck, nigga. Whoa. They tried to kill me. I'm just kidding. So yeah, it's pretty fun. I hope I will record the fireworks show, and I hope you like it. So if you have any questions, click that button and the subscribe button, and yeah, right here will be one battery cake, right there another, and there I put this whole place for just I think 10 firework cakes, and it's gonna be amazing. Yeah. Whoa, a grass. Fuck. So okay. Whoa. That just freaks me up, man. Okay, whatever. Click like button and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. This is my tutorial video, and that's all. So you must make enough space for all battery cakes that you have, and that's all. And you'll be fine. So yeah. Ciao, amigosa, my friendosa.